It's time once again for another episode of That's So Charlie. Today I'm going to go over koi pond maintenance for your home. Having a pond takes great responsibility. I mean, you're entrusting the lives of your fish in your own hands, and it takes dedication and patience as well. Really important to know that you have the adequate filtration for your koi pond, because there is always going to be a big buildup of detritus, fish waste, and if you've got live plants, even pieces of live plant material that just build up in the filter. As you can see here, it's pretty nasty. And I tend to do this like every 2 weeks or so. Now I don't sterilize the pads or anything like that. I just hose them down with just regular tap water, get rid of most of that dirt, because you leave a little bit behind, it's going to have beneficial bacteria that's left in there to not affect the cycle that's going on in your water chemistry. As with any pond, algae builds up constantly, and it takes constant cleaning if you want it to look good. Right here I just take a wood bristle brush and scrape that down and brush the waterfall out, because there's a buildup of algae even in the waterfall. Now please be sure that you're using a brush that's wooden bristle, no chemicals at all. Don't want to kill your fish. Okay, next up is my canister filter, which we change out usually once a month. I'll do a backwash and a 20% water change on the pond. Just give a few cranks on the top, stirs up the detritus from the filter, and the water comes out nice and brown. Take all that gunk off, and you'll just let it run empty. Then until it comes clear. Then we'll replace the other filter, which keeps the bottom agitated and kind of turned up, and just kind of micro polishes the pond. Once you've done about a 20 to 25% water change, sit down and rehydrate. It's hot out here.
That's so Charlie.
Another thing about koi is they don't like warm water, so we try to keep it as cool as possible. I installed this shade over the top so it cuts down on the heat. When you're also doing a water change, it's important to add salt to the water. This is a plain solar salt. Strictly salt helps with the stress on the fish and makes a nice transition for them and keeps them happy. And it's time to feed the fishies. Now I don't feed every day because I don't want to dirty up the water, so we feed them every other day, and they love it. So I decided to take out the GoPro and go underwater and show you a little underwater expedition here of the koi in their happy place. I even got some mosquito fish to help keep down on excess food waste and on bugs.
That is so Charlie.
That's about it. So a little patience, dedication, and a lot of love. Take care of your little babies. Don't forget to join me right here for more tips and tricks with That's So Charlie. Remember, like, follow, and comment.